Alright, what's up, Learning Project? This is LPSTYLES. Right now, my client, she's receiving a full install with minimum leave out. And we used the net for her install today. And basically what a net is, it helps with the security of the install as well as the longevity of the install. It also builds bridges between braids. So if you get just a little bit closer, you can see the gaps in between her braids. It still allows me to be able to sew right here, making it fuller and lasting longer. She can still use a rat tail to scratch her scalp. It's breathable, and we're going to go in and grease her scalp. The most important thing when you're doing an install with leave out, you want to make sure that the hair will cover both sides equally. You want to make sure her braids end up in the same location so that when she splits it down the middle, she will have coverage and it will look real natural. So we're going to start putting in her bundles, and then I'll come back